大家好，我是 Eddie. Hi guys, this is Eddie. In today's lesson, we're going to study a grammar point on page 9 on HSK Level 4 textbook. 今天我们来学习 HSK 第4册第9面的一个语法。这个语法呢是即使也，即使也which means even if. There are two clauses in the whole sentence structure. In the first clause, you use 即使. In the second clause, you use 也. This whole sentence structure indicates a hypothetical concession. 即使 is a conjunction. You can use 即使 before the subject in the first clause, or sometimes you can use 即使 after the subject in the first clause. Let's take a look at some example sentences. 现在我们来看一些例句。大家看到第9面，第一句，你应该多回家看看老人，即使只是跟他们吃吃饭、聊聊天，他们也会觉得很幸福。You should go home often to check on senior people. Even if just having dinner with them, chatting with them, they would feel really happy. 第二句，大部分人每天晚上最少应该睡7个小时，但有些人即使只睡5个小时也没问题。Most people have to at least sleep for 7 hours every day. However, some people will be okay even if they sleep only for 5 hours. 第三句，浪漫是即使晚上加班到0点，到家时自己家里还亮着灯。Romance is even if you work overtime until midnight. When you get home, the light in your house is still on. 好，现在呢，我们来做一做练习。这里我们有3个练习 ，3 exercises. 练习1，你丈夫工作真忙。是啊，他即使星期天也会工作到很晚回家。第2个练习，你身体怎么这么好啊？是啊，即使是下雨，我也会每天锻炼身体。第3句，你一定要跟他结婚吗？当然，即使父母反对，我也要和他结婚。好了，这就是我们今天所有的内容。Alright guys, that is all for our today's mini lesson. If you're interested in learning with me one-on-one, feel free to contact me on Facebook Messenger or send me a private message on my Instagram. 好了，谢谢大家，我们下次见，拜拜 ，Take care.